GoTo Resolve is a game changer for managed service providers, offering a streamlined solution for IT support that can simplify your workflow and save you time and money. But how exactly does it stand out from other tools in the market? Stick around till the end because you won't want to miss our exclusive offer for the software. Plus, we'll reveal some powerful alternatives that might even suit your needs better. First up, let's talk about the core feature that sets GoTo Resolve apart, its remote support capabilities. As an MSP, you know the importance of providing fast, effective support to clients. With GoTo Resolve, you can instantly access client devices to troubleshoot, fix issues, and offer solutions without the need for lengthy on-site visits. This not only speeds up your response time, but also allows you to help multiple clients at once, freeing up more time to manage your business. Next, the platform integrates seamlessly with your existing ticketing and CRM systems. A common pain point for MSPs is the need to juggle multiple tools to handle different aspects of IT support. GoTo Resolve removes this hassle by bringing everything into one place, which reduces the need for constant switching between apps and systems. The platform's ease of use is another major advantage, allowing you to focus on solving issues instead of figuring out how the software works. The third thing worth mentioning is its scalability. Whether you're a small team or a large enterprise, GoTo Resolve grows with you. The software can support multiple technicians and clients, and you can customize user permissions and access based on roles, ensuring smooth management across the board. Whether your client base is small or rapidly expanding, this tool adapts without the headache of needing constant upgrades or add-ons. Now, let's talk about pricing. GoTo Resolve offers flexible pricing options, which is a big plus when you're looking for a cost-effective solution. However, the platform does have its downsides. While its features are solid, the pricing model can get a bit complex as your team grows. For some, the upfront cost might feel a little steep, especially if you're just starting out or working with a smaller team. But it's something to weigh carefully against the time and cost savings you'll get from increased efficiency. Next, the fourth thing, automation. GoTo Resolve provides automated tools that can drastically reduce the manual workload of your technicians. This includes automating tasks like software patching, system updates, and monitoring. By streamlining these processes, your team can focus on more pressing issues, improving overall productivity. However, the automation isn't perfect. It can occasionally miss certain configurations or require a bit of manual oversight. Finally, GoTo Resolve's reporting and analytics tools provide deep insights into your support performance. You'll get detailed reports on your team's efficiency, client satisfaction, and resolution times. This can help you identify trends, areas for improvement, and track the ROI of your IT support services. But the reporting could be more customizable, especially if you have specific metrics in mind that don't come with the default settings. At this point, you may be wondering if GoTo Resolve is the best fit for your IT support needs, or if there are other platforms that offer similar features. While GoTo Resolve is certainly a solid choice, there are alternatives that might be better suited to your unique goals, especially if you're looking for more tailored support or lower upfront costs. So, here's the deal. Through our link in the description, you can access an exclusive and extended free trial to GoTo Resolve, giving you a risk-free way to test it out and see if it's the right fit for your MSP needs. But we've also found some alternatives that may give you even more value in achieving your goals. These options also offer free trials, and we've broken them down in detail in the video description so you can make the best decision for your business. Don't forget to grab the best free trial and exclusive benefits available only to our viewers by using our link below.